Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your CUBOT X19, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the security and location, click on the screen lock. Currently we set up the swipe, but we can change it for the pattern. For example, click yes, then input your lock method, do it second time, click confirm. And right now we can hide all notifications on our lock screen. So for example, I'm going to select this option. And after that we can lock device, unlock, and as you can see, here we got our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.